To make a responsive Wix website. So in order to make a responsive Wix website, we have several steps to do that. So you can make use of wireframes. So you can click onto this visual sitemap option as well, and then just try to rearrange some things that will actually make your workflow easier. You should be able to see in here all of the pages that you have onto your actual site. So here are our pages. You can head over it and then edit them according to your liking from this visual sitemap. Next thing is you can also define your breakpoints based on each section that we have available. You can click on any blank part of the section and then click onto this open inspector icon. And in here we have the responsive behavior. So as for the responsive behavior, you can choose a fixed height, fit the screen, as well as scale proportionally. So in order to make it as responsive as possible, make sure to scale proportionally. So even though you change devices or change pixels, it will stay cohesive into one frame. So you can also optimize images for responsive design altogether and choose the right typography for responsive design. So that is because the wrong typography can actually slow down your site. So that's how you actually make website or make responsive Wix website. Hope we help.